Welcome back to the channel. This is Stephsgotit. I'm so glad to have you join me today. And today I have another unboxing. And we're going to crack this big boy open and see what we've got. And it's a big box. So I'm very excited to see if this is going to be useful to me in one major way, but also in a couple of other ways. So let's find out. Alright, so I'm going to set the camera so you're focused on the product, not on me. Hold that thought. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. I hope that you are having a great day and that you are getting ready for the weekend. Because it is fastly approaching. Got any cool plans for the weekend? We are going to go on a temple trip with our ward, which is cool because we don't usually get to go because we go on another night together as a date night. Alright, so here's what it is. Let's get it out. Whoa. Let's take those. Alright. Let's just put that right there for now because I might want to put it back in here if it doesn't work the way I want it to. Get the plastic off. Let's get this open. We'll figure that out in a second. Oh, there's more little pieces. Oh, no. Okay. Little pieces. They're escaping. Alright. And I assume these are the directions. Yes, they are. In English. See. Alright, this is a multifunctional laptop desk. Okay, and so you can see it has a wood, imitation wood. Oh, that light is like right there. You go. That's it. But it's darker than that in person. It's really more of a dark charcoal gray. No, I take that back. It's a brownish color. It is what it is on the screen. Alright, and this is from Near Pow on Amazon. There is their card, Near Pow, your satisfaction, our target. If you are not happy with your purchase, please feel free to contact us, blah, 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 blah. There's their support number, and on the back, it has how you can tell them about themselves. Back to the product. So far, it is looking pretty cool. Let's see. Apparently, there's a little put together here. And let's see. This goes over here so that you can catch your pencils or pens, or in my case, your diamond painting. Oh, okay. Well, these don't go there. Apparently, it just clips in and it pops in and pops out. What about this one? Don't break it. Please don't break it. Please don't break it. Please don't break it. Please don't break it. Okay. Alright. So they both just pop in and pop out. This one is where you would put, say, your mouse maybe. Lucky just so happens to be, I have a mouse right there. And then this one you can put your laptop so that it doesn't slide down, or your iPad or iPod. So let's stand it up and see how much height we can get with it. Oh, okay. So you push, no. Okay, no, don't do that. Let's see. No, don't do that either. Am I going to have to actually read the directions? No, I'm just going to force it up. Alright, So there are the legs. And voila. Sorry about that. Knocked over my stool. So let's zoom you in a little, out a little. So here you go. Cool. Let's see where these little gray thingies go. Okay, the feet, not on the feet. The feet are flat. Gosh, I'm gonna have to read. The reason I ordered this, let me just get to that because that's what's most important to me, is that this table will swivel. So there are buttons on the side and you can swivel it that way so that it's leaning more towards you. And it comes back up into its original position, which it doesn't go any further with that. Why would you want it to anyway? So, oh, well, what happened down here? Oh, okay. The legs go out both ways. Let's see. Open, open. You foolish child. It isn't the leg. It's the table that's turning. No, this leg is doing something weird over here. Okay, maybe it just looked weird. I could swear that leg is extended out more. It is, I'm telling you. Okay, well anyway, you can raise it up by pushing the little buttons on the side. And I'm going to have to show you my junky sewing room. There you can see it's up. Never mind all that hobbyist fabric over there. So you see you can raise it up and then it tilts forward and then you can make it flat. And I guess these are some kind of locking mechanism. Yes, so that it doesn't move. When you get it where you want it, that sweet spot, you lock it down. Okay. These buttons, you push these buttons in order to raise the height or lower it. The feet, as you can see, are flat and they're wide, so it won't topple easily. And let's bring a height down so I can keep you in focus. Alright, let's do a little demonstration. We have our, oh, my oily, we have there. So you can see that it does hold. There's your mouse, and this is the camera cover. It does hold. So cool. I am hoping that this will help me to be able to diamond paint not only on the cutting table, but also on the couch or in the bedroom. So I am looking forward to trying this product out. I have 4 of these, and I guess I'm going to have to read the instructions to find out what to do with them. Let's see. The table can tilt from 0 to a 30-degree angle, okay? And this would be the 30-degree angle here. That's about as far as it goes. As far as height, it can be raised up to, if memory serves me, it doesn't serve me. Let's look it up. Alright, so you see that it does work really good. It's not wobbly at all. These legs are wide, so it makes them pretty stable. And you can see I have my diamond painting book here, and there's still like ½ an inch more space that could fit here. And this is my Betty Boop stepping stone that I always have on my cutting table because I like looking at it. But you can see it's strong enough that not even the stepping stone is slipping down where so you can rest assured that your mouse will stay there. It appears that I ordered the medium one. I'm going to guess I ordered the medium one, but the picture is still the same. I don't know why I didn't. Oh, yes, I do. It's clear why I didn't get the larger one, because it was more money. And since I wasn't sure this one was going to work, I didn't want to spend as much. All right, so this is, at least I get to experiment with this table and see if it really works. And I might add that the company has already contacted me twice since I ordered this. I purchased it on the 17th and I received it on the 19th because there's an Amazon free shipping. How much did it cost, you ask? It was $38.99, and the larger size is, come on, $43.99. And the wood on the large goes vertical as to where the grain on this medium one goes horizontal. Okay, so I did get the smaller of the two. You know, sometimes being cheap just doesn't really do you much justice. But anyway, I'm going to get to find out if this works. I don't necessarily need this because I'm going to be hanging my diamond painting on here and it will be hanging over both ends. So I'm not as concerned about this. So I love the fact that you can just pop it right off. I wonder, nope. Ah, maybe these go there when you're not using it. Well, that's where they're going. I don't know if they do or do, but that's where they're going right now. And whoa, you can see this is not light. And we'll just pop. Now you do have to be careful popping this one off because this little piece is not attached to the actual hard piece that's in the hole. As you can see, it kind of comes right off. It's really flimsy, but this piece is sturdy. I hope I'm in the screen. So I'm going to plop those right there to keep dirt and stuff out. I think that's what they're for. And so my diamond painting can drape over this, and I can use this to diamond paint while I'm in bed or on the sofa. But another high selling point is that I can also flip it flat and put the legs down and tuck it inside of my travel bag so that I can travel with my diamond paintings. So that was one of the most important things I was looking for, is to have a bag, a table that would be able to shrink itself down to fit into my bag. Now it might be a little wider than I thought it was. We'll find out. When I travel with my diamond paintings, I use one of my old sewing machine, one of my old scrapbook bags on wheels so that I can pull it on wheels. And I think this will be fine. And that may be another reason why I went with that size also. But there you have it. It's on Amazon. I will put all of the information in the description bar below in case you are interested in finding a table that you too can travel with, that doesn't take up a lot of space and will be easy to take out of the bag, set it up, get to painting, and flip that bad boy into whatever position that you need. I'm loving this already. And if you want, you can certainly always take the trays with you so that you can be able to also write and do other things while you are away from home. Well, that is it, my dears. Oh, let me give you the size. The folding size is 20.5 by 11.8 by 2.32. It weighs 3 pounds, 3.13 pounds. It has a silicone non-slip. It's ABS aluminum. And let's see, what else would you like to know? It has, the legs can be set to 5 different heights. So it's adjustable from 9.4 inches up to 12.6 inches. And there are 2 additional clamps that can be used to adjust the surface angle. And again, it has 3 different angle settings. It goes from 0 to 30 degrees. All right. It's very portable. It's very light, sturdy. It folds. You can see folding it takes no time at all. It's really easy to do. And I like it so far. I'm going to give it a shot, and I'll report back in 3 months and let you know how it's doing. All right? Thank you so much for joining us on the channel today. And I'd like to encourage you to click that subscribe button if you haven't become a subscriber to this channel yet. And while you're at it, make sure that you also click that little notification bell so that you will be notified anytime that I upload a video. While you're at it, would you do me a favor? Can you click that thumbs up button if you really like this video? Of course, if you didn't like the video, you're always free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo. Okay? Let me encourage you to remember, if you are having a great day, help someone else have a great day. It might mean little to you, but it could mean the world to them. Love and shimmies.